it leaked incredibly, which is probably something quite a lot of people know about this aircraft. On the ground, when it was cold, the seals across the fuel tanks and everywhere else were kind of gappy because it was designed to kind of heat up and then everything would kind of expand and seal all the holes. So it meant that when it was on the ground, it was already leaking. It wasn't quite as bad as people make out. They had specific points where they knew it leaked, and obviously they would have leak traps on it. It wasn't like there was just fuel all over the floor. But even then, that fuel, JP7, you could drop matches in it and it wouldn't ignite because it had such a high ignition temperature. So the only way to get this thing even started was you had to use triethyl butane, I think it's triethyl borane. I'll have to look that up, I can't remember the name of it, but it's called TEB. And the point of TEB is that it combusts on contact with air, so they clearly didn't learn the lessons of the people who made the Comet. That's not a good idea. But they used this TEB to get the engine started, and then once the engines were started and hot enough, they could feed in JP7, and then the engines would burn hot enough to heat the JP7, and that would ignite, and then the aircraft would be able to run.